The company's reputation in quality, range, standards, and customer service is impeccable and legendary since its foundation in 1905. Today, from procurement to manufacturing, marketing to retailing, KGK is present across the full value chain of the industry with offices the world over. What started over a century ago from Jaipur, Chennai, and Hong Kong now spans across diverse continents in countries from USA, South Africa, Dubai, Russia to Japan. A DTC site holder for India and South Africa, quality initiatives earned KGK the ISO 9001 for operations, apart from the various awards for exports. In step with the new age, the company has introduced the KGK EIS Enterprise Information System for a smooth, productive business operating universe. The EIS is a web-based system developed for KGK Group Jewelry Division. It integrates various processes and sets productivity in motion from manufacturing to sales. The system is primarily developed for KGK business users across departments like HR, IT, design, production, inventory, and accounts. Users can view and access information for order management, inventory management, account management, finance management, along with the web service to help them with business-critical information wherever they are. The EIS hardware and network link connects all the branch offices at China, India, USA, Hong Kong, Japan, and UAE with the EIS application and database server securely. Every aspect of the business can then be governed online, and important business decisions for the company can be taken instantly. Once the EIS processes the design brief form, a tentative design is put together along with pricing estimate for customer approval. After the confirmation is done, the new style gets added to the system and computer-aided design for the jewelry is created, followed by a silver model and rubber mold ready for casting. Following a strict process discipline at KGK, checkpoints are put in place starting at the sales office. Once the customer places a requisition through a salesperson, the order may be processed digitally or given directly to our sales office. Here the order is fed into the EIS and the sales order created and confirmed. Here, the decision is made either to use stock pieces or go in for manufacturing. If the jewelry has to be manufactured, it follows a rigorous process starting with a purchase order in the sales office and sent to the manufacturing locations. From the purchase order inbox, the production order is created. For a new sample order, it is sent to the silver model department for making the model, with raw material commitment, production planning and control, commitment for manufacturing factory, and delivery date. If the jewelry requires only repair, it is sent to the customer service division for repairs. For normal order process, it goes directly for raw material commitment, be it diamonds, stones, or metals, and the production planning and control will give commitment for manufacturing factory and delivery date. The marketing department then processes the job further for approvals by creating contracts with the factory. The raw material department will reserve the stones against the contract as per the commitment and issue the stones to the factory as per the committed date. Here, the jewelry management software production, a production control software, is linked to EIS through a web service, and it gets all the required information for manufacturing from the EIS. The marketing and relevant authorized personnel can see the status of their order through the contract status and PCL reports, which show the status online. Once the manufacturing is over, a quality check is carried out and the finished goods received through a factory invoice. Technology helps further as the jewelry gets a barcode and radio frequency RF tag, and then gets allocated to bins for shipment to the sales office or to the customers directly. The goods received in the sales office are invoiced to their respective customers. The EIS has special features that are truly unique for complete control. It generates a variety of reports which include ledger, trial balance, party statement, finished goods stock with aging, raw material stock, finished goods sales, raw material sales, all transaction registers, all transaction vouchers, inventory sheets, pricing reports, gross profit report, bills payable and receivable, production cycle, and many more. It has a dashboard allowing senior managers to get a complete view of the gross profit, raw material inventory, finished goods inventory, debtors, raw material purchase, and finished goods sales. It also allows for auto emails to sales team on a weekly basis. It auto triggers for exceeding limits to keep the order under check. It also auto triggers for commitments to help the managers keep the process on track every time. Work the way the world does. Fast and efficiently. Bring in productivity, get in efficiency, stay in control of all processes for absolute quality and a true professional touch. See your work shine with the KGK Enterprise Information System.